Heavy rains have blown off roofs at the residence of Liteta local court magistrate in Chibombo district of Central Province. This incident happened on Tuesday following a heavy downpour. Matildah Kantumoya narrates the drawback to Movie TV News. Mrs. Kantumoya says relevant authorities have been engaged to quickly respond to the emergency.
Katushinga bararana kuisa pantu infura sono mbefo ya isa yara tita continue nombe kwa kwa batimfumira ngocha kwa tinkupika papari ino shitaponshira sanga orupia shishive ifya kufuara fyonsama uniform fyonse ama blankets fyariroke wamu.
This came to light when Movie TV News crew visited the area. In the last few days, heavy downpour and strong winds have left a trail of destruction in a number of schools, households, among others. Patrick Mackay, Movie TV News.